was one time na kumain kami sa Jollibee. Wala pa akong pera. Inuna ko munang bilhin yung milk niya. Tapos, yun. Tapos kumain kami, tinatanong niya ako kung, Daddy, ba't wala kang food? Ganak, kain ka lang.
Happy birthday, Ate. I can't believe you're growing na. And I hope you have a wonderful future. I hope you fulfill your dreams. And sana we're still as close as before, even when we grow older. That's my wish for you. Happy birthday. I love you.
Our youth would take the blame. Worn out the way we let it stay.
Isa sa mga hindi ko makakalimutang eksena or memory namin ni Egan is nung first time ko siyang nakita, 6 years old. Then, parang first time naming pumunta ng Pampanga kasama yung daddy niya. Sabi niya sa akin, Tita Georgia, pwede ba kitang tawaging mommy? Tapos ako naman, since hindi pa naman kami kasal na ng daddy niya, sabi ko, tita na lang muna, sabi ko sa kanya. Tapos, ang ginawa niya, pumunta siya kay daddy niya. Tapos sabi niya, Daddy, sabi niya, okay lang bang tawagin ko si Tita Georgia na mommy? Tapos lumapit siya ulit sa akin. Tapos sabi niya, Mami, okay daw kay Daddy, mommy na lang tawag ko sa'yo. Tapos yun, first time, syempre, hindi ko man siya anak na galing sa akin. Pero siya yung unang tumawag sa akin ng mommy. So, yun, memorable yun sa akin.
Happy 18th birthday, Egan.
We love you.
As always, lagi ko naman sinasabi sa'yo, nandito lang si ate. And one call away mo lang ako. Hindi tayo laging magkasama, pero one text, one chat, nandito ako para sa'yo. Ang wish ko lang sa'yo ay sana mapaligiran ka ng mga taong mahal ka. Yun lang, and happy birthday uli. I love you.
I wanna pick you up, well I still can't. Time is running faster than I am.
Happy birthday!
Someday you'll be older. You will always be my child, but you're...
Message ko lang din sa kanya, lalo niya lang mahalin si Lord kasi i-guide siya ni Lord sa tamang landas. And ang wish ko sa kanya, matupad niya yung mga pangarap niya.
Your tattered red homework folder, sun-kissed cheeks and playground dirt, the way you reach for me when you get hurt, how you twist your hair when you're sleepy. It's the rainy day hide and seeking, story times and lullabies.
I want you to know na mahal kita bilang kuya. And happy birthday sa'yo. And hope this day is a day that you will remember. So tandaan mo palagi, kahit hindi man tayo lagi nakikita, nandito ako para sa'yo. Pwede kang mag-message sa akin, pwede kang mag-reach out sa akin. Okay? Mahal na mahal ka ni kuya.
You will always be my child, but you're only little for a little while. There's nothing like a mother. It's bigger than the ocean blue. So open up your little heart.
Ang nihiling lang namin, maging masaya ka, no? And know your priorities, no? So mag-aral ka muna, and huwag mong kakalimutan lagi na si Lord lagi yung center ng life mo. Alam mo na mahal ka namin. Mahal na mahal kita, anak. I love you. Happy birthday.
Older, you will always be my child, but you're only little for a little while. You're only little for a little while. A little while.
Give a round of applause for the star of tonight's celebration. Radiant, charming, and absolutely breathtaking, Miss Ega